There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Challenger TA in Plum Crazy Pearl. With illuminated air catcher headlamps, satin black painted hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, satin black wrapped roof and deck lid, satin black rear spoiler, power 6-way driver's seat, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, sport mode, split folding rear seats, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5844.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.